an ancient Chinese martial art that originated in the 17th century. It is renowned for its principles of practicality, efficiency, and economy of movement. One of the key techniques in Wing Chun is the gum sao, or pressing hand technique. This technique is fundamental to the art and serves as a foundation for various defensive and offensive moves. The gum sao tutorial focuses on training practitioners to utilize a rolling motion with their arms and wrists while maintaining a relaxed but firm connection with their opponent's limbs. This technique allows the practitioner to deflect and redirect incoming attacks with minimal effort and maximum control. By using both arms simultaneously, practitioners can effectively neutralize the force of their opponent's strikes while remaining balanced and centered. In addition to its defensive applications, gum sao also serves as a launch pad for counterattacks. Through proper training, practitioners learn to seamlessly transition from defense to offense, utilizing the rolling motion of gum sao to generate powerful strikes and follow-up techniques. Mastering the gum sao technique requires dedication, discipline, and patience. As with any martial art, consistent practice is essential for attaining proficiency. By diligently following the gum sao tutorial, practitioners can develop enhanced sensitivity, reflexes, and an acute awareness of their opponent's movements. In conclusion, the gum sao technique is an integral component of Wing Chun, offering practitioners a solid foundation for both defense and offense. Its emphasis on economy of movement and effective utilization of force epitomize the essence of this martial art. Through guided tutorials and persistent practice, individuals can harness the power of gum sao to become adept in the art of Wing Chun.